Advocate is the word that keeps coming to mind. I needed Kara at the outset. I thought I just needed a designer to help with the design because I don't have experience or confidence there. But through the project, the absolute value that we got from Kara was her as an advocate for us during construction.
We get how frustrating it can be to love where you live, but just struggle with spaces that don't function well for you or your family. So we focus on setting our clients free from their struggle by using our design expertise to provide full transformations that take you from the planning stages of new construction and remodeling all the way to move-in ready, fully furnished spaces that feel like your home and then they function like a dream. Not to mention that we stay by your side throughout your entire project, providing you with construction support to ensure that the plans you've fallen in love with are executed to a T.
She just set our expectations and then exceeded them wildly.
We create deeply personal, highly customized interiors that let you live your best, most authentic life.